Guys, ask anyone in the world what makes you happy. So people might reply that money might make them happy, or it basically the wealth, or some other fun or travel or whatever. But without doubt, most percentage of the guys say if the nature is happy, if the nature is pleasant, or a season like a rainy season or a winter season comes up, and if there is rain like this, wow, it's raining too heavily for some time now. If it rains like this is what most of the guys like, and that is what they tend to answer. So beautiful weather today in Hyderabad, Telangana, and enjoyable one to watch. Have a nice evening, guys, in Hyderabad.